In the city of separation, night still reigns. The darkness whispers, and the silence remains. Sleepless eyes must bear this pain. In the city of separation, night still reigns. She dreams of me, I know. Her sighs still drift where soft winds blow. Through shadows deep, her feelings glow. Her feelings glow. The caravan is not gone far. Dust still dances beneath each star. The road is weary and hearts are scarred. The journey lingers, the wounds still are. The wounds still are. In my room this morning, her scent still breathes the air anew. Her presence hums, her memory view. Her memory clings, lie me do. In the city of separation, night still reigns. The darkness whispers, and silence remains. From afar our shack just look, don't call. That tender bud's not bloomed at all. Her petals shiver, shy and small, half awake in love's soft thrall.